Hi guys, and welcome back to another video where we look at some of your interesting reactions to episode 18 of season 8 uthando nesithembu. Ake sibheke-ke ukuthi abantu bebethini this time around. The first comment is from Utawoneke Oti. Umamkhulu is so into the number 5 just to spite the other wives, and she's gonna train on number 5 to be her puppet. And then Umatsidisa uthi another week to defend our girl Umayeni. Unandike yena uthi him taking number 5 was to prove a point to us viewers that angeke ezwe ngabafazi. Now he is exhausted, sick and suffering for his own wrongdoing. If he really wanted more kids, he would have done surrogacy or IVF. There are good medical doctors here in Umhlanga, to be specific, umhobholo nje lento abeyenza. Uwise lady yena uthi waze walithwala idombolo uAbo. He has 4 wives and a girlfriend he can go and cry to. And then Upinki uthi he has his own flaws as a man, yes, but this hour, no one deserves to break like that. I feel for him, shame. Uenhle uthi lo baba ile nhlobo yabafana ekogilayo bese iyanyamalala, abuye akuncenge aze akhale umxolele bese eyakugila futhi. Guys, I agree with this one. I really agree with this one. Amahle uthi Mseleko, you have enough wives. Iba indoda eneqiniso, uthande abafazi bakho futhi ubahloniphe. Ngeke ubaqede. Lungisa namakhosikazi akho la omoshe khona. These women love you. They'll meet you halfway. Okwakho ukuthi ube an honest man. Cha mtase, yeka lento ka number 5 izokuchithela umuzi. B yena uthi those who are saying umamkhulu supported other wives when they came are not telling the truth, because she didn't have the choice, because she was forced like he is doing now with number 5. Even though other wives are not agreeing to his idea, he is just moving forward with it regardless of how they feel, her also included. And then Udineo uthi akayengani nayo lento ayizamayo. Benginokumzwela but sengiyabona ukuthi there are narcissistic traits nakuye. Usibongile uthi it seems like Umacele is fighting her battle through Umseleko, and he doesn't see that because he thinks she's allowing him to live his dream. But that's not the case. Umseleko will realize later that it was only about her and her family. The 3 wives care so much about Umseleko's health, but Umamkhulu cares about revenge and number 5. She is so lame. Uthenjiwe uthi no, he does not trust you, he is using you. I think this is in reference to Usne. Yay guys. And then Usindis uthi I must say I now like Umacele. This woman is really a mamkhulu. This woman is a good woman. Sometimes she's just pressured, but this woman is a good woman. And then Unok uthi obviously she's the only person suitable to negotiate for Ukokomelon. Cause level yakhe. I'm joking. Before negidle. But yo guys, abantu bayadelela la ngaphandle. Ubongi uthi and now we know why his sister is no longer close to him. Udeni yena uthi can someone invite Umpume to a podcast ngoba siyazifuna zonke lezi ndaba. Yo guys. And then Upalisa uthi this is one of the best seasons of Uthando Nesithembu. The drama sana. Guys, I agree. This is the best season yet. Ngoba wonke umuntu uyakwazi ukukhuluma freely, akekho hold back. Yebo, this is what we ordered nje sana. Unomathemba uthi no, they are emasculating this man and it's wrong. They knew he's a polygamist and they were happy to enter asiqhubekeke istimela o. Uriki uthi so Umacele had to go talk about Umayeni in her absence and gossip with her babake about other wives. Umayeni will always unsettle evil-spirited people, shame. Unapoleon yena uthi Umayeni will push her husband close to the edge, then quickly rescue him before he falls. And then uNosipho uthi mina ngithi akungcono guys siyohlalani eMzumbe ngoba le ndaba yokulinda isonto lonke ayingisebenzeli. And I agree with you girl, ngeke. indawo ishisa kanje ngeke. UFloyd yena uthi when you cry thinking women will sympathize with you, no, they don't sympathize with a crying man, instead they rejoice silently. And then uThema Bokwane uthi they even give him toilet paper to wipe the tears and continue. Umayeni-ke lo hayi ungichazile shame. And then Amanda uthi nothing makes me happy like seeing Umselegu crying like this in front of the whole world. Yo, Amanda, toxic shame. Usebenzile uthi Thobile usuwenza kakhulu kodwa. Hayi namba phethe angisaboni kahle, angisaboni kahle. UNtombi futhi yena uthi uma engashona during this time into abazozisola yona engasekho ukuthi baxolise. Don't kick a man when he's down, ladies. Nitheni yasivuma isithembu. Yiso-ke leso-ke nitheni zosimela myekeni athathe istimela sakhe. Khona futhi esinye isithuphethu esiyimisele ngokungena abe unumber 6 ebona kunje niyothi angasho. UKutlwana uthi when the woman is fed up, there's nothing you can do about it. Ushilo uLobert Kelly nje. Uaphiwe uthi awukwazi ukuthatha 5 wives mase ucabanga ukuthi awusoze wakhala. Thina siyazondana impela siya abantu besimame kodwa once we get along kwanento eyodwa esivumelana ngayo you can even die ngoba ngisho usukhala singakuhleka nokukuhleka. That is so true, guys. Uponcho uthi so why does she want to encourage another woman to go join them where they stay while she herself won't be affected by her presence since she doesn't stay there? Hi, this woman. And then uCebo uthi ay wena Flo nokuxova thula phela uyeke umzumbe because awuhlali khona xoki lika mamizala. uDipuo uthi if number 5 was my daughter, I was going to advise her to withdraw this madness. Ay nami guys nje ukubusiswa mbakithi ngabe sengimtshelile ukuthi akayeke phansi kwaseqale nje bengizothi nje engangeni ngisho ungena nje. UNokulunga uthi so uMacele is securing her life with the house she wants to have emakhaya after uMusa because she knows there will be fights after uMusa. UNokuphiwa uthi hayibo wakhala uMusa and uMayeni was ready with the tissue. Yebo yesana ay shame is staring yo ay shame uMayeni enye character. Ubongi uthi isithembu sikhalisa abanemali kingayoba yini kwesingenamali. Yo yabo nje isithembu sikaDulas noqondanisa. Imagine guys, imagine yo sana ay. Ulungile uthi but ivoice note ayisho ukuthi kunomshado and I agree shame. So sifuna ukizwa ke leka amakhumalo ukuthi yona kanti ithini ihluke ngani kunale esizwise yona. And then finally uDlokodla uthi lento nje iyisifundo sokuthi uma uthanda abantu besifazane abaningi awukutholi ukuphumula emoyeni noma ungaba nemali engakanani kodwa uhlezi uthwele kanzima ngoba lo muntu ayikho into emkhalisayo ukhalela nje umfazi wesi5 nje finish. And ke sana I'm gonna leave it there. I would like to hear your thoughts on this. Please make sure to comment down below and don't forget to like, subscribe and ngizonibona kule elandelayo.